Good morning. So obviously I look a bit different than my usual intro. I forgot to film them before I started doing this, so oops. But in today's video I am going to show you how to get this black smoky eye. It's literally just eye based. Probably won't even be that long, to be honest. But yeah, if you would like to see how I got this black smoky eye for more downturned eyes, please keep watching. So I've just done one eye off camera and this is how it is looking. Obviously it probably looks a bit crazy because I have nothing else done. But let's zoom in and I will do the other eye. So I'm going to start with my P. Louise base in Rumor 2. I'm then going to go in with my MEA Intense Colour Blackout, and I'm just going to tightline and then do my waterline with it. And then I'm going to use my Westbourne & Co. Soap brows just to sort of get my brows out of the way. Like so. So the first colour I'm going to go in with is Latte by Makeup Geek. And I'm just going to use this on the Kaylee SK02. And my eye typically is more downturned, so I don't tend to bring the colour all the way down to this outer corner. I sort of lift it a wee bit. So I'd maybe start about there, so I have that wee gap. I'm just going to blend this inner to outer. And I'm not trying to make this colour too pigmented. I'm then going to go in with the colour Mug Cake from the Soph and Revolution. And I'm just taking some of the Morphe M506. And this is just going in that slight shadow. Just below that first colour that we used. So I'm taking it all the way into this inner corner. But I'm still leaving that wee gap here. And then just going back in with that Kaylee brush just to buff over those edges. And then I'm going to go in with the colour Americano from Makeup Geek. And just on that same Morphe M506. And this is just gone deep into that crease. All the way to the inner corner. so. I'm just going to take a wee Keeley SK03 and just buff over those edges, going back in and out of those previous shades. I'm then going to take the P. Louise Bada Black base. I'm just going to put a wee bit of this on the back of my hand. And then just like, I don't even know how to pronounce it. Just on that wee brush, I'm just going to pick some of this up. And pat this right onto the lid. And I'm going to bring it right up into that crease as well. Right down into that inner corner. I'm then going to take the colour Corrupt from Makeup Geek, which is the black, and just on a Real Techniques base shadow brush, I'm going to start packing this onto the lid right on top of that base. Like so. As you can see, there is that bit just in the crease. So I'm going to go in with the M507 from Morphe and some more of that Corrupt shade, and I'm just going to really wiggle this into the crease. And I'm just going to keep my eye straight open and really just blend this outer corner. So I'm almost squaring that outer corner off. And I'm going to go back on with the M506, the Americano shade. And I'm just going to blend right over that outer corner. And then just a wee bit in that inner corner. I'm just going to make sure that they're both even. And then going back in with that SK03 and the Latte shade. Just really buff over those edges. And then I'm going to take White Lies, which is obviously the white, and this is just going to go on the brow bone. And this will just help blend the edges of that latte shade. And then I'm just going to go in with my NYX liner, just so that the false lashes blend in a wee bit better. So I am just going to go and finish off my base, and then I will come back and finish up the eyes. So I've just finished my base. Now let's continue. Just brighten this up a bit so you can see. So I'm going to go back in with Americano, and I'm just going to run this along the lower lash line. And I'm just going to connect it into that outer corner there. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Latte and buff out those edges. And then just on a wee pencil brush, I'm going to take Corrupt, and this is just going to go right into the lash line, and again just connecting it right up into that wee corner. Going back in with Americano just to buff that out a wee touch. And then just going with White Lies just to highlight that inner corner just a wee bit. And then I'm just going to use a little bit of mascara. This is just a wee collection mascara. And then for lashes, I'm going to use Doll Beauty in Jasmine. And I will apply these, come back, do my lips and show you the finished look. So, lashes are on, and for lips, I am going to use Bamboo by Morphe. And then, I'll use for space, might not use for space. I'm gonna go in this FOMO by Doll Beauty. So this is the finished look. Do we zoom in? What do you want?
You making a video?
Yeah.
Hi.
Swear to God.
I'm looking up as good stuff.
No, will not.